Lawyer them with the lookout case for Sisiko Ayoktabi. They don't talk say just now. The man will be do ever be head boy for the group where they call it Barrister Fruit John Saw. You know they again like head boy for the lawyer them with the lookout case for Sisiko Ayoktabi. Now for Sika where they meet up for talk for Tory people them. Tory for this afternoon we go concentrate on top that palaver way lawyer them say they come out for talk with it. Tory people them for that side so for Yawende. So for Tory for this afternoon country people them we go take unam. We go to for that side from Konsamba. Sabi say for number 1 day for inside this moon. Some of the Cameroon Renaissance movement people there they be make mash for that side from Konsamba. They be done she done for inside Gatasote for 18 days. After 18 days, just now, they don't get freedom. How the thing happen? Now, so to go talk for now. Then we take on to go for Chang. We talk this palava picking way day for university for Chang, where they only meet up a die body for inside room where it don't already spoil. They call in a Christabel and they say this picking, it come up for that side, so for Northwest. For Sika say they no be fit for carry die body, go for Northwest. They don't bury him for Chang. Waiting it happen, we go get answer to for you. We get the guidance post, the voice, the advocate, and even the Rambler newspaper, plus case for person where don't lost for inside Tory for this afternoon. Sabi say chapter 2 from Damba. We go talk Tory house, it already land for Egypt. As well they prepare for Mandamba. Mandamba says na Sabi, we own man team. It don't turn back for country since some morning time. Na palava for sign book for the company where they make them new clothes. And after that one, they go back for Egypt. We go be na tomorrow. Big part talk for this afternoon. It talk for we. If you make a combi with a spider, you know if it ever drink water when you fall for inside. I say if you make spider like a combi, Sabi say when you fall for inside water, you know go ever fit for remain for inside. Mola Ngumba Nje for that side for Boya. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back some more time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We the glad say we don't join head again for this side for Equinox Story House, number 2 time for inside this number 3 day for the week. Just now, chapter for this afternoon, Congo Sawe Mitowi, it try for Terry Bamenda, some parts, and even for that side for Boyam, Moto, and Pine people they no open. For Sika say they say today, Sisiko Ayoktabi and the other people they get for go for court. But even before that one way the enter we here, make we enter for that side for Yawende. Sabi say lawyer them, where they look at this case for Sisiko Ayoktabi and other people that way they so they be catch them for that side so for Yawende. For Nigeria side, them says they be meet up with the Tory people them for inside Yawende. It be then for Tuesday where the lawyer people then says for that side so for inside Yawende. They be meet up with people them, Tory people them for inside Yawende. Sabi said this lawyer people them where they be meet up with Tory people them. They be try for the talk for Tory people them. Waiting it happen for case where it concern Sisiko Ayoktabi and the other people there they catch them for that side so for Nigeria bring them for inside Cameroon. Sabi say inside this press conference where it happen for that side so for Yawende. I know Sabi whether of you they talk on top the image so the thing it happen for that side so for Yawende country people them. So I talk it been a lawyer people them for Sisiko Ayoktabi where then says they be meet up with the Tory people them. It be then yesterday for inside Yawende and according to it Barrister Joseph Awafru he talk with the Tory people them. They say just now Barrister Fruit John Saw we sote now it be don't be like a head boy for on top this group. Say just now he know they again like head boy for this group for lawyer them where they be done the shidon on top this case. Now for Sika waiting they try for talk say they so Barrister Fruit John Saw he go for outside country he go the talk for plenty Tory house them. So just now even as well they be meet up with the girl for get and Dongamen with the Tory people them they begin invite say make it come but he no so hate so they don't talk say after they talk the way come up for talk and for outside country they talk say he no go day again like head boy for the lawyer the way they look at the case for Seseko Ayoktabi, but it's also dey like member for inside the lawyer them. If he goes continue, he goes also remain like member. Now sabi say inside that court case or inside this Tori 2, lawyer them wey dey look at case for Seseko Ayoktabi, they try for talk say e dey so them too dey vex plenty with Ngomna for sika say sote now Ngomna never fit for respect commandia the way they get am. Say number one thing wey dey vex Ngomna now for sika say one, they no respect human rights according to way they talk. They talk say this lawyer the only tiffy for that side for Nigeria bring am for inside Cameroon. Number two thing wey this lawyer them they talk on top this palaver. They don't talk, say Seseko Ayoktabi. He don't talk, say he no be na Cameroon. So normal. Even if they be get for judge, they be get for look at the way they the judge person, where he don't deny say no be na Cameroon person. Inside the same chapter, they talk same country, he don't deny for here the commandia way they so court for Nigeria. Be don't talk say may they send back these people there. They only can't tiff for inside Nigeria, bring them for Cameroon. But so now he say Cameroon people they never so deny. Lawyer them to the vex say. Anytime where they so they get court case, Cameroon, it been a bilingual country, and when they the judge person, where it they so you know they hear one another language, normal, they begin for talk with the country, talk with that person in the year, but all time where they meet up for inside courthouse, now only one country talk where they talk and when Emmanuel Macron country talk, where they say that one too, now one thing that way they so country, is the one she done on top. So just now, that case for Seseko Ayoktabi as well the lawyer then talk, they just also continue for fight, but the team one again for Sabi for outside. Now say Barrister Fruit John Sowe all the time. If it don't be like head for the lawyer them, they don't talk say he no be head again for the lawyer people them. But he also remain like member for the lawyer them way they so they she done for look inside this case for that side so for inside Yawende. And they talk main governor try for respect. All the thing the way they don't talk on top this palaver. Since we did talk palaver for lawyer them, one of the lawyer them way they so if don't be one time inside Ngata for Sikadi palaver for Norway and Southwest, Barrister Agbobala way is also continue for doing work for protect women rights and all kind of thing them. We can way pass they give small dash for the better okedo ni duam palaver for human rights respect we get them and in the fight for people there they disrespect them right. So for that side for Zanzibar. Now when they give Barrister Bobala small feather for congratulative for the work we he did do. So they don't talk. Say easy then a young boy make it continue for do the work. So now for Zanzibar where people themselves they give award for Barrister Agbobala where he too he be done she done from Ngata for some half time for Sikadis Palava for Norwest and Southwest. But just now he then for outside in a center for human rights and democracy for Africa. They just also continue for fight on top this palaver where it is so they disrespect human rights for inside country. So Barrister Agbobala he don't get another feather again on top he hates. This one now for Zanzibar where they give prize for the work where they do for palaver for protect human rights. We go left palaver way concern lawyer people them just now. We take on also remain for inside politics. For talk, palaver for that side for Nkonsamba, Cameroon Renaissance Movement, Wanasabiam, na themselves, na party for Professor Maurice Kamto. All these people they want to see am so, na people them for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, they did them 35, where it is so they be catch them for number 1 day for inside this moon, for Sika palaver say they make peace worker for inside Konsamba. Now so, even lawyer Fabrice Ewuchumen, where they be cashy, so for Sika di Wakam, all them, they don't get them freedom for that side, so for inside them Konsamba, after when they don't shit down for inside Ngata Sote for 18 days. Sabi say they be catch them, talk say they be disrespect law for country. Now for Sika why way they so, they catch them put them for inside Ngata. Sabi say total, they be get 18 days where they shit down for inside Ngata, and 18, they be there for inside Konsamba Ngata. Then at 17, they be there now for inside the police station for that side. So total 35. It be then a Bibi glad as where they come out, as where they left them. After 18 days, where they shit down for inside Ngata, for Sika palaver say they be make mash from Konsamba side. On top palaver for talk say make Nkunkuma, it looked in them where it pass for inside we country. Make we hear one of them where just come up from Ngata, it tell we, waiting where they happen.
talk people where they for back, where they don't talk say they will kill you, they will kill you. They don't feel kill you because say we dey fight for something we go help all country. Today so fight and me I not be hungry. I not be not hungry. Many are come up for root. I come up for root because I want to say Cameroon change. I want to say my picking to hear the couple we back. Made the year fun with the suffer. With the suffer. I not say I suffer. My picking can suffer. My small picking can suffer because Cameroon and a country for all we. Some people don't decide say now they get Cameroon, but now that one we talk for them say na lie. Cameroon are all Cameroon. We want say make a fixed problem for Cameroon. Any Cameroonian he get the own team for Cameroon. We never take na fight.
Yes, and that man says away with the talkative, one of the member them for Cameroon Renaissance movement inside the Tory. We ask you, as we don't come up for us and data, how we feel, make we hear wait with the answer we give for we man for that side from Konsamba, Sirin Jemba.
Me I return got plenty away this day they only be because say na 18 days today where you not be free, you know they are with family and I know I see no person for family and all self come be any man you know I see but they got plenty because today they don't leave we and we will go for our house, we will see a family, we will see how we come be. I'm very happy.
Yes, na palava for be over glad after we she done for inside Gata for 18 days for Sika palava for peaceful wakam where you be one make 'em. We go remain for Konsamba for talks in Gando House for that side so from Konsamba side this early morning time country people them a cash fire for that side. Sabi say army rescue people them for inside Konsamba wanna see them they work so they be suffer before they get for lost in Gando House and Sabi said in Gando House no man he never Sabi wetin wey really happen na for that side na Gando House for Maningoba as people that is Sabi and for Kolam and for French na South Effect for Maningoba people dem from Konsamba wey catch fire this morning time for inside Konsamba side dey so now no man he never fit for Sabi wetin wey cause fire but the fire e burn all corner even people there they make binet woman wey dey sell chop just for corner e own place too e burn na so two person too wey dey burn fish and e dey burn fowl for corner too even e own place e burn. Army rescue people they get for suffer before they lost the fire for sick as a place for carry water e no be day at all. People then say they only wake up they put their hand them for waist someone they only fold their hand they see as we army rescue people they work but Sabi say the fire if you don't already burn fine the side effect for that side so for Maningoba now for inside Konsamba where this fire so it happen now this early morning time. Another side for that fire, maybe una go talk say ambassador, we no see as when the fire starts. Make we take una turn back na early morning time this before army rescue says we one land for this. Sabi say if army rescue people them their water for motor it be finished, then they get place where they for fee for carry water. Then this side effect for Maningoba, you know for burn plenty as one at the CM, it be then a big fire way cash inside that place where army rescue themselves as well their water finish before they get for check side where they go carry water it be dey far away where the house it be only continue for the burn. So one of the big problem them army rescue people they come early but for water now the small thing than that where they be fit for come out and for outside for sika this fire way burn for that side so for inside Gando House for Maningoba for under Konsamba country people them as all the talk person in no sabi side where the fire come out they only meet up the fire this early morning time. Sabi say when Tory House he enter for some place he must look all the corner sides all the box in there with the day make we try for work with this amateur image side where the people that go carry water we get another one we'll enter for see side where this army rescue people that go find water it no be easy at all for them for find water now right for inside Mani bush confirm they pass for inside confirm far away before they go carry find water manager will not get this other one sideway they so they go find water for say me they lost this fireway e cash for that side. So for inside the Sal Defect for Manenguba, we get another photo, another image for that side where they show. Side where they be go find water before they use them for loss. This fire away the cash. Well, we go left that one for one side. We go surely turn back for them for some time. But Sabi say the army rescue people them, they be suffer plenty before they be find water for carry water. Yes, now the image that even so I talk now amateur image, and now so they be get for take pipe, they enter now for inside bush. Go far away. They broke people that come from them. Place where they don't plant corn for inside bush. Now we army rescue people them. They be get for go connect water. And normal no be now for year. Where they go fit for connect water. Where they use them. They drag water now for this small place. As soon as they see them so. Before it is so they drag water. Then they start for use them for lost fire away. In the cash for roads. When I sabi say for normal time. Normal. Place like that Gando place. Where they dig glad. It be get for get place where deep people they get for just dig their pipe for inside, then they start for drag water. But they be get for before for enter now for inside bush, far away place before they get water where they feel continue. So the pipe says if you follow the pipe now long distance where these army rescue people them take that pipe for start for tap water where they go use them for lost water. And the one now one of the thing then that way make them with that fire it burn all the house the way we will see them. So we say if water for just they corner where they for just can open and put their pipe, then the house for burn plenty the way we burn. Then I just Osika say they so this palava so at the talk in the pipe water no be there for corner, so they be get for go find water for far away place before they use them. So now they suffer that where we combine them for army rescue for that side. So for Konsamba they suffer before they get water where they last use them for lost that fire for inside the Sal Defect for Manenguba as well they call them Nangando place where this fire it be cash, and we say we be follow them for see as well they suffer for inside bush for only for see say they want find water for lost fire way it cash for inside that Sal Defect. So now the one side out for this fire thing we will talk on the people them. We go leave this chapter for fire for one side. So we'll leave fire for one side from Konsamba. We take on to go for Yawende. We will hear say some sides for this place and Emia school where they look out to them we dormitory it catch fire. It then yesterday we dormitory na big dormitory here we to they sleep for inside. Sabi say na for they look out to them so they the big so another fire where it enter just now. No man no sabi too wait till it happen for inside this dormitory for to them for that side. So for Emia where it catch fire they only meet up we bed them or they don't burn. Lucky say no one person no die. Now only the mattress them where they be there for they burn and even zinc, but no other thing it no happen for that side. So just now even people them too they don't confused on top this fireway burn for inside that side. So for Emia now for Yawende where they look out uniform people them for inside we country now school where they look out uniform people them. And Sabi say plenty time when they picking the one come up for school Nkunkuma says we been a head boy for uniform people them in the ever the day for see as well they come out for school. We go left palava for fire just now. Country people them. We talk now na palava for die. We take una for Chang. Now for the way they so die body for Christabel. Country people them. Die body for Christabel. Now some girl that way they so. Ebi they go na school for university for Chang. It then a number 3 year for faculty. Now people there they do political science. Now that body where they can meet up and for inside the own quarter for the own city. Now they picking that. As well we hear them. Now Ngondere way we dey for year 3 for political science side for university for Chang. Now it come be them in neighbor then they come see where they so it already die. So they die body the smell for inside house. No man no be sabi say they so it no be well, but at least people they be sabi say no be well for some time, but they no be sabi say go die. So now only smell for inside the room where make it own come be them. So after they take permission now for inside Chang Sesep where they bury this Ngondere for Sika say come on now for Northwest and for carry die body reach for Northwest too. It be then a thing where they no be fit for do am. So council for Chang egi authorize say me they bury for inside council burial ground for that side. So for Chang we go talk waka for United States. Donald Trump his own country the council for inside Cameroon. Now for Banga Pongo people there they sabi that Banga Pongo roads Sabi say Cameroon, we know the shame? No way. Shame in no the key Cameroon at all. Big woman so. Una see road where they take it enter, The roads, it be there for lock mop. Banga Pongo, they no fair get roads. See as we motor for Douala City Council pass today. Even people them for under Douala City Council, them too they suffer na see am. Na thing wey dey so na true thing this way dey happen for Cameroon. See road for go from Panga whether na Banga Pongo na wetin o. As I be say when I call Banga Pongo, una go remember na only that aeroplane wey before for that side some time ago. But now so till now, no nothing ever happen. So even that council for Donald Trump country for US wey can Cameroon see true wetin wey people there for Banga Pongo dey suffer. Road e no dey. Motor wey dey pass e must use na by force. If you no wan use by force, you wan go na Ajebota forget. See my way whole flag. Na the way down they talk for you say come good. Mami say if you don sabi say the road na different level. He wear na boot. Well, he can see na how we work it dey happen for say make people there Banga Pongo no suffer. But apart from that, see school. Banga Pongo no get school. So now, see how we see some people they go learn book. I be don't talk the palava for church. That church for Banga Pongo service also did the same. So that woman says be use your own kuro eye. E see the way they happen. Now church that. You understand? Now church that way foul them say they can prayer. When people they finish prayer, come out foul them too they enter make their own prayer. So the woman see her with her own kuro eye. He hear as we motor the suffer for inside water. For sick as a roads in no day. And we country, we know the shame. Yes, Mami wear a boot to one time. There say they don't tell you say that play poto where they in a different level. You understand? So Mami wear a boot. He enter Banga Pongo. We see him with the own crow. I say suffer. He dey for inside country. True. See how picking the learn book. Small time we say na tomorrow the big people them. Now say that picking the learn book for Banga Pongo. Well, we owner for talk two way dey for ground. We know they talk na two way. You know they happen. Now we go talk palava for sick people them. Sawes, Dr. Ebongo Zax. You don't take chop each year like new regional delegate for sick people them. Each option for Ganje. And that's to Tori people them or whether na paparazzi or na papawetino. They be there. So Ebongo Zax, doctor, he be then a head boy for that side for Kumba. Then they give a point. Say na he get for can chop chair way they so Molangie, he be done the chop and see. So the two people then just now they don't change office. And they don't talk, say, make Dr. Ebongo Zax. He continue with it. That's a good work. Where be the do am time, where be there for Yawende, Kumba. Sabi say for Kumba side, if you want talk palava for I, all man be the tell you say, go see Dr. Ebongo. Go see Dr. Ebongo. He sabi house or work man, I so take time no day. So just now, he don't take his office. He did take office for some kind of time. But he don't promise, say, no matter how way the time he day, they go so see as well they go turn continue for look up people them say make they no sick and he talk say thing they go change for chapter for sick people them for inside Sawes. So we dey say congratulate again for Dr. Ebongo Zax we he don't chop each chair like regional delegate head boy for Sawes when he consign sick people them. Derek Jato he be put in microphone for Dr. Ebongo Zax. Make we hear what we talk.
My country people, all our people and say, we the only thing we get for give and say, we give una advice, we give una medicine, we give una whatever it take for una for be healthy. Because my way, if be healthy, and my way, if you go for a farm, if you go for a workplace, if you do anything you want to do, but if you not get good body, your body no well, you don't do anything. Although things are be difficult now because of how we shake. So we only want to pray for God say, may give we the wisdom and more na two na control we. We will not be bad people, we will not take good side. More na live with people them. They will give una all what we do so that we will be able to make sure that picking them they do well. We have women there when they get belly they do well. We na man picking themselves na do well. All the things that we try to tell now, like we sleep under mosquito net them, same beginning for vaccination, woman they belly, all man. In fact, when you sick, you go for hospital. Now only so we do. My country.
Yes, now Dr. Ebongo Zagzat, new head boy for sick people them for that side for Southwest as we chop it here. Just now we go enter for chapter for Ndamba for Sabise woman Ndamba team. True, they don't enter for inside Cameroon. Now them that's where they land for Yaoundé this early morning time. Country people them, Clarence Seedorf and the boy them. Now Clarence Seedorf says where he there for number 1 place. Where he too, he don't come, he don't enter for country. Sabi say they don't shit on for outside for plenty time. They be there for Real Madrid, now for that side for Spain, where they be shit on, for see as where they go continue, for make this their preparation for a man Damba where they come. Sedu Bombonjo Yaseseb, now he be there for talk come good for this with man Damba team. Now Clarence Seedorf Clarence Seedorf, even with a Patrick Kluivert and the other team people them, all them they be there for there as we with man Damba team, he enter. Chupu Muting, as soon as they see him, now so to the other player them, they take enter for country. They be done the prepare scenes for Real Madrid for Spain. They come up for Real Madrid, go for that side for Doha for Qatar. This same time, as soon as they see them now in Simalen International Airport that for Yaoundé, as when the man Damba team say they come, Sabi say they come, population be there for outside. Man Adima could put small volume for the place, make we hear as when people they be the sing for talk come good for the man Damba team. So the man Damba team enter for country as well they prepare for go for Nations Cup. Man Damba own and Damba way they pass for Africa. Sabi say woman team too they prepare just now their prayer and say make the tonton nak even New Zealand. Make we take una go just now for Montpellier too for see as well woman Damba team too. They prepare for this palaver for Damba way they so they get for nak and they get serious Damba where they no get for make mistake as soon as they talk for French they no get for make error as soon as they ever talk no mistake you no get for come out for inside in Damba. Sabi say woman Damba team they get for play even as way their chance for go for remain for France in no day for them hand but they get for look out say they knock New Zealand 2-goal upwards. It means say if they knock New Zealand 2-0 fine, they knock them 3-0 fine, but make them not even take 1 goal for sick. I say 1 goal if it cause confusion for we woman Damba team. So they prepare for that side for Montpellier. They go meet up with New Zealand tomorrow, knock Damba, then they go wait. If they knock New Zealand, they go wait. Other people then play. Then for that time they go look the best 4 woman team the way they did for number 3 place where they fit for qualify. So just now the case out for woman Damba team as well they so continue just now image I'll get them for now we come out live for that side so for Montpellier where woman team then they still continue for prepare for this Damba way they get them. Sabi say they don't lose for their 2 Damba them. They knock them 1-0. Canada knock them 1-0. Then Netherlands, Holland, he knock them to 3-1 as we una Sabi for that woman Damba way the pass na FIFA Women World Cup where it happen for that side for France. Now, Sabi say man and Damba, it start for Egypt this Friday. And the first Damba team we don't land, na Tori House. As well as inside country, na Douala Airport is where Tori, people there where they get for go knock with Tori. For that side, so for Egypt, they be the common country. It be then for Tuesday. Now all them that Dipanda will be get Dipanda. People there they know Sabina. Put there they work now for background. Head boy says for house. Severin Chunke be there. It be the talk with the big man for Ndamba side, sports side for country. He talk to a person where they look at country people them. Even the assistant big man too. All them be there for see as waiting that they happen. Time for selfie to be there. So now we inside the Ethiopian Airlines where we team where they go for Egypt. The land as well they enter for the Oman, it don't be prepared. Sabi say they be get small stop for Malabo as well they enter for the aeroplane, it no continue so take the land for Egypt. They be fair end for that side for Malabo for inside Equatorial Guinea. Then after they get small stop to for sorry they call them say Addis Ababa for rest. Last they use now 12 hours for Waka before they land for that side so for Egypt country people them. So just to tell them all the corner side them for man Damba way go happen for Egypt Tori House, e go dey present as we man Damba team to go land for Egypt. Una go see all team for Tori House as we dey land for that side. So Tori House e don already land for that side, so for Egypt as una dey see am. We sef we go dey for here for continue for NAC Tori as we dey see am. Na vice president too for CAF una see am, so e dey enter for Egypt. So Tori House e don already prepare for that man Damba wey e go start for Friday. We don't finish story, make we enter for newspaper the way they dey outside for we before this afternoon. Inside the guidance post wey dey outside, they tell we council people them, they don't get another time again for she done for office after when Nkunkuma sign book for talk say me they go for before. So for inside the guidance post, they tell we as we the Soweto when the Southwest Development Authority, it don't get new head boy and another head boy we go look at the whole association or the development association. Inside the same chapter, they tell we Nkunkuma don't sign book for talk say Friday. It been a national day for Kradai for Ketu them where they be key them for that side. So for Darak na 17 of the way they be sleep straight. Palava rain they tell we as we Poto way come on top mountain. It don't left so take 100 people them where they no get house. Now for inside Douala here, if you read Tori 2 we consign United Nations where it congratulate Ngomna for as we they also continue for see as we they maintain this Palava for sustainable development goals. Other to read them, if you for read them. For the guidance post where they outside, we enter for the Voice newspaper where they outside, call the people them. Inside the Voice newspaper, country people them. Wait if you for it. For the Voice newspaper where they outside this afternoon, we enter for the Voice newspaper where it day outside this afternoon. Inside the Voice newspaper, they tell we for that side as a big man for taxation SSF, they don't put it like head boy for francophone tax administrator them think tank according to waiting with the Voice it talk for him. The Voice newspaper SSF it talk now say waiting now which kind of way with the fit stake for stop all the kind of thing the way they happen for we country. The Voice it tell we this palava for people there they also suffer for Northwest and Southwest. They don't bring this Ngomna help versus talk. Wait till we go really help for say the people that they ask for talk and they also get chop inside the Voice. If you read that chapter in the proper, now so today they talk for we as we in Nkunkuma, it don't give small time for honorable them and even council of them for she done on top that chair. Now so to go read Tori way consign this palava for state budget for 2018. Wait till it happen in the Voice newspaper, it get all the answer for you. We go left the Voice newspaper just now. We enter for the Advocate newspaper where they outside. Inside Advocate, they tell we as we Pani John Frundi, he don't just throw away this palava for Limbe Chief on top palava for Key for one side. He no get anything for talk on top that chapter. If you read too for the Advocate newspaper, palava for Sonara, big man where he don't talk for work people them. Say make man he die, make man his spirit no die. Say may they continue for work. Even as we fire, he cast for inside that place. Now so today the tech for we for Advocate say na Molongem Thompson he don't be the new secretary for inside Limbe City Council according to which we Advocate talk for we. Other to read them, you feel read them for Advocate newspaper where they outside. Rambler now some other one will day inside this afternoon. Country people them inside the Rambler newspaper. They tell we make una see as we City for Excellence a day na dirty it don't flow for all sides. City for Excellence na boya we don't turn be na dirty town. Just now they tell we too palava for Northwest Southwest womb and other places and just now they suffer for Sika palava way they so people that is also die na so blood in the throwaway and other one that is also run for inside bush. The Rambler newspaper says it talk this palava way they so former head boy for Egypt Mohamed Morsi he don't die after way they so this man he die for inside court. War way they make them easy wait till way the Rambler they try for talk. If you buy the Rambler for read all that to read them for insight. Now they told them that for chapter for newspaper for this afternoon. Country people them make we get a case for person we don't lost. We get some one person we don't lost where they bring a photo for Equinox Story House. Now they picking that. They call it Nono Christel. E social name na Kote. Yes, e social name Kote. Then he get na 33 years. And they tell we say he come up for their house. Friday, number 14 day for inside this moon around 7:30. And no man no sabisa where he go. Since that day, They never even see with even small corner eye for their house for place where they call them Bonadicombo, now where we know they see that thing fine, but he never turned back for their family house. They talk say time where this speaking, he come up for their house. They talk say he wear some tricot, where he wear some tricot and even some small trousers where he black for his skin with his sandals. They say this girl he hates, he no turn up fine. I mean say he get some small shaking. So any man, even though he gets small shaking, he talk small for Emmanuel Macron. He continue talk so Oga Jaka Taka or Oga Taka, he beg any person where he don't see this speaking or he don't even by mistake they keep it for house. Make it call the ting number where he send for before television 674 349 341 656 609 494 or you film it up Equinox Story House with him. Monsieur Taka annonce la disparition de sa fille, la nommée Nono Christelle, alias Côté, âgée de 33 ans. Elle serait sortie de la maison vendredi 14 juin 2019 aux environs de 19h30 pour se rendre à une destination inconnue. Lors de sa disparition, la jeune fille était vêtue d'une tricot avec une parcours de couleur noire ainsi que des sandales sur les pieds. Elle ne jouait pas de toutes ses facultés mentales et peine à s'exprimer en langue française. Monsieur Taka prie toute personne qui l'hébergerait ou la reconnaît de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro que vous voyez sur l'écran 674 349 341 656 609 494 ou encore se rapprocher de la radio Equinox 6 à Bonakwangwang. Now to read them that for this afternoon, country people them, we glad plenty for honor. We did send big happy birthday for Oga Wunsu George from Toko Street for that side for Kumba. Thank you plenty, George Mitterrand Dam, we be too for inside story for this afternoon. Francis Boyom, Malice and Nadine, we thank una plenty. Sote for some time if you waka fine. Una hold am tight.